this is a wide body Charger Hellcat from 2020. It's brand new. Stolen from a dealership right off the lot. Never been titled, which is kind of the big issue with this, right? So that means the very first title it's going to get is most likely salvage. They couldn't get a clear title for it. All right. Now, if everything I've read on the forums are correct, the oil pan is busted on this. There's no oil in it. The computer may have saved the engine. I don't know if it did though. We'll see. I mean, 1,198 miles. I wanted this car to help rebuild Slimepack's car, and a lot of you guys are giving me crap about it. Why would you tear up a Hellcat to rebuild a Scat Pack? Listen, it's called content, bro. All right, it's called content. She's clean. The interior, I mean, it's got 1,100 miles. It'll clean up. You can see it here. SRT on the seats. The seats and stuff look good. The interior looks good. The steering wheel lights up. All that stuff works. It's just no oil, man. She's busted. Oil pan busted. And the only thing you can do is you got to hope that the computer saved the motor. That's what you have to hope. But never know, man. Only other damage I really saw was back here on this rear fender. You know, where it popped the clips and the bumper. No physical damage though. It's all superficial stuff. And the same thing over here on this side. Did it get some stuff? Was it on this one? No, it's up front, right? There was some scuffing and stuff on the wide body kit, but nothing ridiculous. Like, you could totally put this thing together and save a ton of money on a Hellcat. You just have to hope and pray that the motor is not done, and that's the crux of the matter. Well, let me know what you guys think about this one in the comments. Monday it is coming up. If you guys want to see me bid on it live, I will probably post a video Tuesday, coming up Tuesday. So if you're seeing this, you're probably seeing this on Monday, so the auction is going on as we speak, more than likely, and I will publish the video on it probably Tuesday, so they'll know whether or not it was won. So stay tuned. All right, guys, the Hellcat is now up. You guys were asking what this thing was going to go for, so I'm going to share this on Instagram, TikTok, and then probably YouTube. But yeah, we're now here in viewing capacity because they're tripping. They're they're bidding way too much on this car. They're bidding way too much on this car. Way too much. Man, they're tripping. That's Ohio. I wonder if that's the dude from the Browns that's bidding on this car. It could be the dude from the Browns bidding on this car. $49,250. Another monster bid. They're gonna get this thing damn near retail, man. You know, you could buy a fully running and driving Hellcat, right? Granted, not with this kind of mileage, but this one has no oil pan. There was no oil in it. You have to hope that the engine is not blown, right? They got this thing at $52,000. Now, take into mind that retail on this car was only like $72,000, right? So you're only $20,000 away from retail. You could buy one of these, you know, you could buy a regular and put the wide body kit on it for less than you're paying for a salvaged title. It's not a clean title. It's a salvaged title. They are tripping.
Bonus time.
53.5. Somebody in South Carolina, man. I don't get it. I don't get it. It makes no sense to me. 54,000. They're tripping. They're straight tripping.
$54,000.